Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. I am in Stuttgart, Germany. I am here for one reason and one reason only, for Bring Me the Horizon. I really wanted to come to their first show of this tour because I saw the last show of the last tour in Las Vegas. I'm kind of a mega fan of Bring Me the Horizon. They got me through a really tough time in 2016. I followed them around UK. I saw them in Norway. I've seen them in Dallas, Las Vegas, St. Louis. I've seen them 7 times. So I'm going to see them here in Stuttgart, Germany on the very first date of the First Love tour. And I'm also going to be at the Paris, France show. So I look forward to that. And probably a few of the dates on the North American tour. Most likely not the Australian tour. My first McDonald's of this trip. It looked really good on the menu, so I thought, why not? I just took the U-Bahn to my hostel. My hostel is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and at least wait in the lobby and try to get a video up because I'm like 5 to 6 videos behind and I really need to get them up. I still have videos from Copenhagen I need to get up, and I'm currently in Stuttgart now, so. Okay, I kind of took a longer nap than I really wanted to. It's 6 p.m. I still have to buy a ticket, so I am going to take a taxi to the venue where the concert's happening tonight. So hopefully I'm good.
you wish you were there. I got a hole in my soul, going deeper and deeper, and I can't take one more moment of this silence. The loneliness is haunting me, and the weight of the words getting harder and harder. It comes in waves. I close my eyes, hold my breath, and let it bury me. I'm not okay, it's not alright. Need to break the lake and bring me home again.
You know what drown.
Who will fix me now? Darling, when I'm down, save me from myself. Don't let me drown. Who will make me fall? Drag me out alive. Save me from myself. Don't let me drown. Broken down. Got a hole in my soul, going deeper and deeper. I can't take one more moment of this silence. The loneliness is haunting me, and the weight of the words getting harder and harder. As loud as you can. It comes in waves. I close my eyes, hold my breath, and let it bury me. I'm not okay, and it's not alright. But you drag the lake and bring me home again. Who will fix me now? Darling, when I'm down, save me from myself. Don't let me drown. Who will make me fall? Drag me out alive. Save me from myself. Don't let me drown. 'Cause you know that I can't do this on my own. 'Cause you know that I can't do this on my own. 'Cause you know that I can't do this on my own. 'Cause you know that I can't do this on my own. Who will fix me now? Who will fix me now? Who will fix me now? Darling, when I'm down, save me from myself. Don't let me drown.
That was a really good show, even though it looked like they cut down on their stage production, so that kind of sucked because someone short like me, I really liked the visuals that I got to see because in a country like Germany, people are so tall where you have to weave your head in and out just to be able to see them. So that screen was a nice touch. So I'm sad that they got rid of it. Hopefully they bring it back later on in this tour, maybe in the North American cycle. And now I have a Pepsi. Cheers from Stuttgart, Germany. Tastes okay. It tastes better than the Pepsi in America. it's not Coke. The only country that I know that Pepsi is better than Coke is Poland. So, good night from Stuttgart, Germany. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up.
Who will fix me now? Driving when I'm dead.